Hi guys, so let's continue with our preparation exam for certificate AWS Generative AI Developer Profession. So we'll continue on our questions in domain 2 for the implementation and the integration. So I will give you 1 minute to read each question. Let's go to question number 21. So the correct answer for question 21 is option A. As Bedrock agent follow instruction in natural language, clear sequencing instruction in the system prompt are the primary way to influence agent behavior. But option B adds complexity and option C uses policy preview but is more complex than needed. And option D, OpenAI doesn't have native dependency modeling for agents. Let's go to question number 22. So the correct answer for question number 22 is option C. As agent core runtime is purpose built for agent deployment, natively supports long-running tasks up to 8 hours, provides session isolation, and integrates with agent core memory for state. It works with any agent framework, including LangGraph, but option B requires custom state management, and option D, Lambada, has 15-minute timeout. So let's go to question number 23. So the correct answer for question number 23 is option B. As Kinesis data analytics Flink is designed for high throughput streaming with sub 500 milliseconds latency, async IO allows parallel calls to Bedrock and SageMaker. But option A, Lambda concurrency limits may throttle, and option C adds state transition overhead, and option D, multiple queue hops and add latency. So let's go to question number 24. So the correct answer for question number 24 is option B, as the converse API requires the caller to maintain and pass the conversation history in the message array. The service doesn't automatically remember previous calls. If the application only sends the latest user message, the model loses context. But option A would cause throttling, not context loss. And option C would cause truncation, not forgetting. And option D causes randomness, not context loss. Let's go to question number 25. So the correct answer for question number 25 is option B. As Bedrock supports interface we receive endpoints AWS private link, but option B correctly describes the setup, and option A uses NAT, which still traverses internet. And option C, Bedrock doesn't support gateway endpoints. And option D adds unnecessary complexity and latency. So let's go to question number 26. So the correct answer for question number 26 is option A. As AppConfig provides deployment strategies, canary, linear, all at once. Automatic rollout based on CloudWatch alarms and the configuration validation. Parameter store in option B lacks rollout strategies, and DynamoDB pooling in option C is less efficient and lacks native rollback. Secrets manager in option D is for secrets, not configuration rollout. Let's go to question number 27. So the correct answer for question number 27 is option A. App Sync subscription can push incremental updates. Option A correctly uses Lambda to process Bedrock streaming APIs and push chunks to subscribers. But option B is incorrect. AppSync supports subscriptions. And option C, AppSync doesn't have a direct Bedrock data source for streaming. And option D, it changes the service entirely. Let's go to question number 28. So the correct answer for question number 28 is option B, as when moving from wildcard permissions resource star to specific model ARNs, the application must invoke only those allowed models. If the application code hasn't been updated to use allowed models, access denied occurs. And but option A, rule would be missing entirely, and in option C, ex, ex, um, expiration errors would be different, and in option D, service disabled would affect all calls. Let's go to question number 29. So the correct answer for question number 29 is option B, as SQS provides reliable, durable message queuing with unlimited buffering capacity for batch loads. The queue absorbs a spike and the messages are processed at sustainable rate. But in option A, only increases limits, doesn't eliminate the risk. And in option C, Lambada directly may still throttle. And adds com- option D adds complexity. Let's go to question number 30. So the correct answer for question number 30 are options A and B, where option A increases capacity for existing pattern and option B moves processing to ACS, which has different scaling characteristics and can handle higher throughput. But in option C, API gateway with socket doesn't directly integrate with Bedrock agents. Lambada is required in this case. And in option D, adds latency, and option E degrades user experience. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to like to this video and comment if you have any question to and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.